55 degrees. Almost on line. This cuts everywhere except that point. Yeah. For speed, the GTS is the fastest, for sure. It also has that crunchy feel. The Valk Elite, in contrast, has a slower but more stable feel. And for the GAN XS, it is also very fast, but a bit too fast. So I don't like it much. So for speed, I think the GTS wins, and the GAN is the worst. Feel, turning, I like the Valk Elite most because it's very smooth. I also like the GAN XS because it has that satisfying crunch every time you turn it. As you can see, and I don't like turning the GTS3M though, because the ridges are a bit weird. So the Valk Elite wins, and the GTS3M is the worst. Now let's talk about the unboxing experience. So I think the GAN XS box is the biggest, and it is nice, a very nice box. The GTS3M box though is smaller, but it has that nice magnetic thing here. And for the Valk Elite box, I don't like it much because it's black. Like, this is black too, but it's kind of cool with that gold stuff. So the GAN XS wins, and the Valk Elite is the worst. Now for customability, the Valk Elite comes with 4 boxes, but one of them, I threw one of them into the bin. So in A, there are some center caps. These are the strong magnet ones. In B, you also have some center caps. These are the weak magnet ones, and I'm using the default ones inside. C, there are some springs to adjust the tensions, and oh, they fell out. Okay, so the way you have to adjust the tensions in the Valk Elite is quite infuriating, because you have to loosen the screw all the way out, which takes a long time, obviously, because you need to take it all out until you can take out this spring and switch it for another one. right here. And to adjust the magnet strength, you have to first take out a center cap and then put it back in, put another one in, and then you need to do it 6 times, and sometimes pulling out center caps may be quite hard. Oops. The GAN access comes with this adjusting tool and some GAN robot center caps, which I've no use. So to adjust the tensions, it's much easier than on the Valk Elite. You just have to take out this tool and then take out a center cap. Oops. And you use this tool to turn this nut inside, and then that's it. You've adjusted the tensions. It's very easy and convenient. Now, for the magnets, how to adjust the magnets. You just have to, you don't even have to take a piece out, but I like to do that. And then you can pull this thing until it clicks. As you can see, it now clicks to the lower magnetic setting. And then if you do this, it will be on the higher magnet strength setting. So it's also very easy to adjust the magnet strength. So for customization, I would say that the GAN access is the best. Lastly, for the GTS3M, it's also really easy to change the spring settings. All you have to do is take this tool and then you click it in and turn. Each click means you're at the higher spring setting, like that. However, you cannot adjust the magnet strength, which is kind of bad. So in conclusion, the GAN access is the most customizable, and then will be the Valk Elite, and then would be the GTS. I can't find a place to record in my home, so I'm now here. Anyways, let's take a look at the pieces and the mechanism of these cubes. Firstly, the corner of the GTS and the GAN access is similar. They all have this ridges thing on here. But the Valk Elite has this weird center cap design. I don't know what is that. And yeah, all cubes have torpedoes now. So, but the GAN access has a bit, the torpedo is a bit weird, as you can see. Now for the internal track design. The Valk Elite has an interesting design, as you can see here. It has these dot pattern here, while the GTS has this traditional track design, and the GAN access has this GAN honeycomb design. So yeah, that's it. One more thing I would like to say, and that is the internal piece design. So the Valk Elite M has primary internals, which makes it, well, equal on every side. However, the corners are easy to twist. Well, I can kind of they're easy to twist, and you always get corner twists on solves, which is not quite good, but it's not really affecting you anyways. I don't think it's the most important factor. It also pops quite a lot. No, not a lot, like once every 100 solves maybe, if you're turning too aggressively. However, one major problem I have is that when you corner twist, you may break the piece apart. What I mean is that in the design, the corner is facing outwards. The piece is facing outwards. So you may break the piece accidentally, and it's very easy to do that, which is not good obviously. And on the GTS3M, it's harder to corner twist, which is a great thing, and rarely ever pops. The CAD access also, it's even better. It's impossible to corner twist. Yeah, I can't do it. These cubes, the GTS and the CAD access are 56 millimeters, and the Valk is slightly smaller at 55.5 millimeters. But you can't really tell the difference though, because it's not that much. Another thing I'd like to say is grip. As you can see, the Valk has this shiny surface, which is you can grip on it very easily, which the GTS also has. And this is a stickered CAD access, but most people will get the stickerless one. But the stickerless one has a bad finish on it, which can be quite bad because you can grip it tightly and you may drop the cube. The GTS3M also has ridges to help, although I didn't find it quite helpful. I think the GTS3M is the best for grip. The Valk M has a smooth and stable feeling because it has 96 magnets. It's also very customizable. However, it can be troublesome to customize it sometimes. The CAD access comes at the most expensive, $60, and it's way too fast, even if you put it at the tightest settings. However, it is very customizable, and then GTS3M comes at the most economical price, but its performance is not that good as the Valk M. I would say it's less stable, and you can't customize the magnet strength, which is kind of bad, and many people don't like the ridges. So just to be clear, if you want to get a cube, definitely get the Valk M. It's the best high-end cube that I know of. And you can also get a GTS3M if you want a cheaper option. And I don't really recommend the GAN access unless you really want a GAN cube with lots of customization options. If you want to buy any of these cubes, the links will be in the description. So that's it for now. Goodbye.